In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste values only using the paste special here in Google Sheets. So in a previous video, I've got this comment on how do you just copy the values and not the formula. So that was in a previous video where I show you how to copy your formulas and paste them to the rest of your data. In this video, we're just going to copy the results and not the formula, hence copy values only. So how do we do this? Well, in this example spreadsheet, I have this tally sheet where at the last column, we have the final average for these scores. So in this cell, you will see that there is a formula for it, and so does the rest of this range. And if you just want to copy the values or the results, just the results and not the formula. Well, basically, if you do try and copy this, normally what we do is to just select the range, right click and copy. Then we go to where we want to paste it. So this is where the final average scores will be. And I'm just going to paste them like so, right click, paste. And what happened was it just copied the formula. So we have a reference error here because it's applying the same formula that we had from this sheet to this sheet. So basically we copy the formula instead of the values. So to just copy your values, what we're going to do is to go back to that tally sheet. Then we're going to select the range that we want to copy. So I'm going to quickly select that by pressing Control Shift and the arrow down key. Now we've selected that column. I'm going to right click on that selected column and I'm just going to copy again. So you can do your keyboard shortcut or just click on copy right here. Go back to your final average scores sheet. And when we're going to paste, what we're going to do is to right click. And instead of just paste, we're going to go to paste special. Here on the right side, we can see the paste special options that we can select. For this one, we're going to use values only, and you'll see that there's actually a keyboard shortcut for that. So if you want to do the keyboard shortcut, you're going to be adding the Shift button in between your Control and your V keys. So let's go ahead and do this one first, values only. I'm just going to click on this one. There we have it. So this time we don't have the formula. We just have the values pasted on this sheet right here. So I'm going to do that and we're going to try that again, but this time with the keyboard shortcut. So that was Control, Shift, and V. And there you have it. We have done the same thing. So either you right click, select Paste Special, and select Values Only. Or we can do the keyboard shortcut of again, Control, Shift, and V. And there you have it. That's how quickly you can copy and paste your values only using the Paste Special or your keyboard shortcut here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.